Greetings everybody, Trading Jesus. Always told you guys to be patient and hunt for exact price value. Today we have two growth stock. You have to put them on your watch list. And those two stock did really good in the beginning of this year. It's different sector. That's why I told you guys always to diversify your money and you never put them in one sector. And we'll go in the chart and tell you what's the difference and what's the return, where you buy, where you sell, everything in this video. Before we go in the video, like and subscribe and check my Patreon in comment section below. As I told you, pre-market update, entering and exiting plan, strategy plan, Discord channel, everything you can find it at my Patreon. Without further ado, without BS, let's get straight to the video. As we can see, the first stock, yeah, you guessed it, is Visa. And this is one of the growth stock I usually put it on my list because as we can see, at the beginning of this year, all our stock, like Chinese stock, like LKCO and I don't know, like Zoom, EHang, is all been crashing since the beginning of February, as you can see. But for Visa, the banking sector is doing really nice. And one of the other reason I can look here, guys, we've been bouncing perfectly above our exponential average. Whenever we see a dip below, we're gonna see a buying pressure from big investor. They know that the is a good price value. That's what we want to see almost every time we do higher highs, and this is really nice. And this is the last dip we have last year. So this is, as we can see, we doing really good for a banking sector, guys, and we do this ascending channel. This is perfect. That's what you want to see in any stock that you want to put it on your watch list. At the same time, to grow your money in this crazy period that we have a lot of our stock, penny stock, Chinese stock, and it's volatile, of course, but it's not good to put all your money at this, because I get a question a lot from you guys about how to choose the stock that will at least give me safety at the same time growth. So one of them is Visa now. So even if we got some got a bit of rejection right now, we got a like, let's say draw this line, we broke this massive resistance, we tested. Now we have our breakout since let's go in a smaller picture to see more. We had our breakout at April last month, and we trending up really nicely, and I can see this go easily to 249 in coming days. Even if we dipped and we go below, we can see a price go to 220, but we don't go below the 217. If you want to wait and buy really good price, again it will be at this level, guys, or I will be here at around the 215. If we dipped, big dip, we're gonna see a big massive buying pressure if we go at this level, and from there we're gonna see the 250 and more. So this is really good to put it on watch list. And even if you see a dip, is not like a Chinese stock or the other stock, the biotech sector, when we see a dip is really risky. For Visa is really safe and a really good stock to put on your watch list to grow your money, and at the same time you have a safety net, as if you want to call it. And this second stock that we're gonna talk about today, and is a growth stock and is really good to put it on your watch list, is JP Morgan. Everybody knows JP Morgan. they're doing phenomenal, guys. Look with me. We have a really phenomenal year. Beginning of this year, it was perfect, and we never dipped. We're still holding this support perfectly around this. We got our breakout. We got our breakout this year at February. Imagine we got a big run up for JP Morgan the moment that we have the big crash, mini crash, or a big crash for some stocks, penny stock at the beginning of February. But for banking sector, it's doing really good. And here the finances sector is really doing good. We have as the same scenario. Here is better for JP Morgan because we've been trending up and we never even test our exponential average. Look, we just have our breakout, and if you look, the moment we just dipped here around the 141, we got back really fast. So this is a really good price. The smart money load the boat here. They loading. They know the price value for JP Morgan is higher. That's why they took it. And now we have some resistance around this level, around the 160. So the moment we break this, we're gonna see higher highs and for JP Morgan, and usually this is the all-time high we're doing right now, last 22 of March. So now test for the next week. Be careful, guys. So we might see a bit of rejection here if we don't pass the 161. So wait, if we break this one, we're gonna see higher highs for JP Morgan for sure. If not, we're gonna see a test again for 147 or even 140, but not below, guys. This is perfect entry trade, and it's a really good growth stock to own. And this is one of the things that you should look for, because usually when you buy one stock, guys, and you just choose one sector, is not good idea. The idea is diversify your money in a stock. Even in a stock, never buy in one sector. Let's say biotech companies. Don't buy all biotech companies, because just one like sometimes this sector, all the stocks under this sector will have some major correction. Even they doing good or the return is good, they get some kind of dip. So the best idea, that's what I do in for my trading strategy, on investment strategy. Never invest all your money in one sector, even in a stock. A lot of people don't have this idea when they just trading. Okay, I'll just diversify in stock and some in Bitcoin, some, yes, but diversify inside the stock market. Which sector? There's a lot: finance, biotech. There's a lot of pharmaceutical companies. You have a lot of sectors inside the stock market as well. As I show you here, the finance market is doing good. If you have diversify, you never you hedge your investment portfolio, and you have less red days. Even you have red days, you can gain it back from the other sector. So guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Daily video always bring you the inside information about the prices. So hit the notification and join my Patreon if you want exclusive content from me. And if you have a personal question and a suggestion about your trading strategy, or build another one, I will be there for you 24 hours. Not 24 hours, of course, but I will be more we can chat in Discord, and we have respond really fast at the Discord. So guys, if you like the video, as I told you, press the like button, and see you in the next video, and have a nice weekend, of course. See you guys.